Faleata on the track. Tamaiti, Faleata on the track. He sees her at the same time every night at the Mexican discotheque. She gives him French kisses. He gives her French cigarettes. They sit at the same table every time. The lights are low, but their eyes shine, just digging the music from those sweet soul bands. She keeps him out of fights, holds on to his hand. He whispers slowly, tonight's the night. Months of planning, so it's gotta be right. Under the table, her bag is busting at the seams. She made sure to bring everything. Moonlighting, they're leaving everything. Moonlighting, they're losing all their friends. Moonlighting, it's the only way. It's frightening, but it means they'll stay together. They're gonna make it together. He's from a respect and he's got a lot of money. He's got a lot of beauty in the street. He's a friend of the most great. So good time that all us see. And he counts the money that he can see. Today and every day you see. But the things spread this disguise as a must. They're gonna look up at the bathroom. Oh, she wants to go tonight. I took some cash from my business side, and nobody can do this right. If only they knew they were giving away. Moonlighting, they're leaving everything. Moonlighting, they're losing all their friends. Moonlighting, it's the only way. It's frightening, but it means they'll stay together. They're gonna make it together. Tamaiti, 9:15 Monday morning at the printing works. The boss notices someone's not clocked in, and the water department of the council offices has a message that Mrs. Park's daughter is missing. Meanwhile, the car lights turn off of the M6 motorway, drinking cold black coffee, eating hot cupcakes. She stares at him with his beard unshaved, wonders at his powers of staying awake. He whispers slowly, "You did just fine." They share the driving all through the night. She laughs, "My mother will have lost her mind."